Weighing in at 186 pounds, coming straight from the hood of Strawberry Farms, we have Jason the Jetson Townley! Oh, he's quite the guy. And then, coming straight from the back hills of Denver, Colorado, weighing in at a mere 98 pounds.
That's a wet towel on him.
We have David, the Diva Vargo. Woo! Tonight in this match,
You know, I would say the color hat that we have over here in corner one always out of nowhere. That's so unprecedented. I was not expecting that.
looks like the Jetson is really making his move.
He's not holding back here. There's no holding back.
Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, here comes the run.
Here's the Mama's Boy. Mama's boy is being saved by his mom. Oh no! And the Diva is down, and the mom is trying to
He's going for the ropes. He's going for the ropes here. I don't know if he's gonna make it. I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Oh, the Diva's coming up. The Diva's coming up. Oh, it looks like the Jetson's about to win this one. Looks like the finishing is coming. Oh! Alright. It looks like Jason's going off the balcony. Oh, look at the Diva.
No, you just broke this.
Boom. And it looks like we're going for a commercial break. We'll be back in a minute.